After 7 years, this first edition of the IAM3DHUB Summit is held here in Barcelona, inaugurating our brand new facilities in the Deep Factory building. For the very first time, we are gathering all our community of partners, customers, collaborators, universities, organizations, and many other contacts in this inspiring event to discover how to create the most impactful innovations thanks to using digital manufacturing and 3D printing technologies.
The more than 300 visitors will be able to discover the additive manufacturing industry through a variety of conferences, live demos, and a large application showroom, showcasing the latest 3D printing technologies and some of the most successful adoption projects carried out by the IAM3DHUB.
The objective of the IAM3DHUB is to help small, medium, or large companies go through this adoption journey into a much more efficient digital manufacturing through the power of additive, through the power of 3D printing. With more than 2,000 professionals and 500 companies impacted every year, what we're seeing today really is the acceleration of this community through IAM3DHUB, really exponentially accelerating the number of 3D printing applications, users, and businesses.
Today we will host as well the final event of the Forward IAM Innovation Award, the global 3D printing startups competition co-organized together with BSF Forward IAM.
Over 100 candidates. Our jury of industry leaders has chosen 4 finalists who will pitch today. And the winners will receive funds and further support to realize their vision. Additive manufacturing is co-innovating because nobody can win alone.